Hi folks, I'm going to go ahead and start working on the Bilt mower today, and we're going to try to fix the carburetor issue and get that going again. It's a plastic carburetor, so it's real easy to work on. So I'm going to show you guys it again. Here, excuse all the noise, fire trucks and all that here, but there it is, the Bilt mower, and I'm gonna try to, after I get it going, running better again, I'm thinking about repainting it, the deck. As you can see, you know, it's got bubbling paint there, and pretty much the paint is gone on this side and underneath for the side chute too, and all that. But I mean, other than that, it runs sluggish. But then again, this hair filter here doesn't help either. So, you know, bye bye air filter. I gotta use one I can throw on there, but I'm gonna go ahead and take this carburetor off here. Should be oh, wait a minute, I want you guys to see this. Let me zoom in close if I can. That's the correct 5/16 bolt, but somebody put a star bolt on that carburetor, and it's missing a bolt right there. It should be a 7mm bolt. There's the 2 5/16 bolt, but this one's missing the other 7mm bolt. Alrighty, well, I guess I'm getting some parts for that here. So, oops, sorry, zoom that back out. Alright, I'm gonna get myself set up here, and then we'll start taking the carburetor apart. Okay, got the tools I need. So I'm gonna go ahead and take these 2 5/16 bolts off. Yep, auto choke. Carburetor. Yep. Alright. Let's get the rest of this off, shall we? Off. I'm gonna clean that out too. More likely old gas. At least I think it's old gas. Let's see. Smells. Don't smell good. Think I'm crazy. Probably sticking my nose in there to try to see about the gas. There's the auto choke. It's working like it should. This whole thing needs to be cleaned up really bad, so alright. Next I'm going to take the gas tank off and the carburetor all together here, and this lifts off from the top there. Those two tabs right there, and this right here pulls out, rotate it to get this linkage off to the left, and then take out the auto choke. So let me go ahead. Oh, battery died. Okay, come right back. Okay, take two. I'm back. I got the beauty cover off. I'm gonna go ahead and take the linkages off there. Yeah, we're gonna clean out the carburetor. And I'm gonna clean all this nasty stuff off of here too. I'll probably do that while I got the engine off. I already went ahead and cleaned this air breather cover off. Part of it. I still gotta clean the rest. But I'm gonna go ahead and get this gas tank off of here. So go ahead and this off of here. And then there's two linkages. Doesn't look like it's been stretched out. So it looks like this. Kinda easily get the fight. There we go. Had to get it off its seal. This rotates off like that. And this one, I can do it now since I got the gas tank off. Whoops. Right, so. Alright. Got it off. Alright. I'll meet you guys in my work area here. Let me get this set up. Alright. Set up now. We're going to go ahead and take this carburetor off. I cleaned it with carburetor cleaner and stuff. So 7mm socket. There. It wasn't on there that tight, but you're not supposed to have them on there that tight anyway. I worked on another one earlier this year. Oh, one, there's two. All right, take two. Or not take two, but got some more carburetor cleaner. My last. Oh, let's see what else is going on here. I don't know if you guys saw it in that last part. That Welsh plug came out. Sitting right there. It popped out of there. Huh, I gotta clean this anyway. So. Alright, got that Welsh plug back in. Had to tap it back in. I had to use my flathead screwdriver to knock it back in there. It's in place now. Went ahead and cleaned off the float, the main jet. Look good, no clogs and stuff. So we're good there. Float needle was good still. So, time to reassemble this bad boy back together. Here, this snaps. This all snaps back in there. And stuff. And gonna get the the float needle back in and all that. Next. So I'm going to go ahead and get that. Whoop. Well, at least I'm sticking my hand in carburetor cleaner. There. And go ahead and I'll try to do this where you guys can see it. He's sitting that in there. There. Float needle this. Sits in there like so. Sometimes I take this and snap it back down in there and stuff, so that's good. Do that one more time. There. I think we should be good to go. Now on these, you just take it where that little indentation is right there. You know, put this forward so that way that has room. So like so. There. Alright. Go ahead and put these screws on real quick. And you don't have to tighten them too tight. There. That's not the right screw for it. Okay. Gotta get another screw. Okay. Got it back together. Had to steal another bolt off another, unfortunately it was a good carburetor, but I had to steal a bolt off of there because somebody decided to take this one off, and now I know why the air cleaner cover was missing a bolt. But anyway, let me get the mower back over here, and I'm waiting for the gas tank to dry, and we're going to put this thing back together again. Okay, I got the carburetor back on with the linkages. I got the gas tank back on, and I got get the air breather back on, get the screws on. 5/16 bolts on the sides here, the 7mm going to the carburetor, and we're going to get that squared away. Okay, I got everything buttoned back up on it. I got gas in it. The carburetor order came in for it, so I got that on there, and I have a used filter that's a lot cleaner than the old one. I'll show you later on, but after we get this up cleaned up a little bit better. But right now it's got gas in it. I'm going to go ahead and give it a start, and we'll see what it does. Here we go. Alright. Start it up right away. Shaky, so I'm probably going to have to sharpen the blade. Actually don't cut too bad, but I'll still sharpen it anyway. It looks like I brought this back to life. Might have to turn up the gas a little bit on it, which I probably will. But I'll do a follow-up video on this one. I'm going to sharpen the blade and I'm going to change the oil in it. I got this one running again.